Today I'm taking a look at the SK 2-piece 13-inch long reach pliers set. So we got two of these guys. These are definitely very long. We can see that they are branded on there. We have a bent nose and a straight nose, and they both have some nice sharp looking teeth on there. Now, the nice thing about these is they both have two joints on them. So that means you can open it up and you get quite a large grip on there without having to really pry this thing apart. For standard long reach pliers that only have one joint, you have to open the backside way up in order to get that thing to open up. They both have some nice rubber grips on there so you can get a good squeeze on there without having to hurt your hands. And they have tether points on the inside, so if you need to climb up a ladder with this, that is not going to be a problem. There's a very nice finish on the metal. Point does line up well, and we do not have any problem with wiggle. Even on the straight nose, those line up perfectly, and there is no issue with bending on those either. So I got a piece of pipe. Here is a pair of long nose pliers that have a single joint. So if I stuff this all the way in, all the way to the point where it meets the handle, and I open it all the way up, we pull that out, we can see how far that is open. If I do the same thing with this, right there, and we can see how far that one's open. So that is a fairly considerable difference if you're trying to grab onto something that's larger. On top of that, just handle to handle, the double joint is much longer. So what that means, if I took a piece of paper and I shoved it in there further than this could even reach, yeah, not gonna happen. This guy can still easily get it. So if you're gonna get some long reach pliers, double joint is really the only way to go, and these are some excellent pliers.